What does happen now in terms of the trial, the schedule? I know we have to wait for 2 weeks for the Walt Nada appearance, but then what?
Once Nada gets arraigned, the judge is going to set a schedule for discovery, and I think that discovery is probably, for the most part, ready to go. The U.S. Attorney's Office, or pardon me, Jack Smith, he has an incentive to move this along as quickly as possible. But I would expect there'll be a lot of emotions and actions on behalf of Trump, for example, to challenge a privilege that was pierced with his attorney, Evan Corcoran. That could be a big piece. This isn't Michael Cohen in New York, who's a bad witness, and you really don't care. That's an overstatement. But Corcoran has much, much more clout and weight and credibility. So there's going to be a lot of things that are going to happen. There's going to be subpoenas, I wouldn't be shocked, that are issued by the defense.
Do you think this goes all the way up to the Supreme Court? That's what Tim Palatori, who was Trump's lawyer until, a few weeks ago, is predicting.
I think if it can, it will. So I think there's always a possibility. This is, first of all, a unique case that's been unheard of before. When you have a former president who is now in federal court, there are issues that are legitimate issues that will be challenged. Again, going back
to Corcoran's notes and audio of the meetings with Trump?
Absolutely. So I think there's a lot of weight here to that.
But why would the Supreme Court revisit that question? Because that came from a Supreme Court decision. They had already decided on that there is a crime fraud exception to attorney-client privilege. Why would they revisit what they have already set as precedent?
Well, I think because there's going to be new challenges now with the new team in terms of where they are, not at the grand jury stage when it was decided that it was admissible, but now that you're at the trial stage. And there's also going to be, separate to what you're going to, but interlocutory appeals that could delay this as well. Other issues may come up where we can't proceed in this trial until a higher court renders a decision on whatever issue is brought up, whatever subpoena may be challenged, whatever legal motion is being made. So there's a lot of steps that can take place, and not necessarily going to Supreme Court, but other appellate or higher level courts to make those decisions.
Shelby, I want to ask about